What if I told you that the single biggest cause of your recurring oral health problems, the sensitive gums, the cavity, and that stubborn bad breath that never seems to go away, is unto the food you eat or how often you brush, but the very solution you use every single day? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the microbial secret to revolutionizing your oral health, a secret that the big dental brands hope you never, ever discover. For decades, we've been told to wage war on our mouths. The main strategy. The carpet bomb approach. We've been taught that all bacteria are bad, so we use harsh antiseptic toothpaste and alcohol-based mouthwashes designed to kill everything, and they do a great job of it. They wipe out 99.9% of everything living in your mouth. But here's the problem. Your mouth isn't a battlefield. It's a delicate ecosystem. Some of those bacteria are not only good, they are essential for your protection. And you felt the results of this flawed approach. You brush, you floss, you rinse with that firewater they call mouthwash, and yet the problems keep coming back. The morning breath, the sensitive teeth, that feeling that your mouth is never truly clean. I want you to know, it is not your fault. You've just been given the wrong weapons for the fight. You've been told to destroy the entire ecosystem when you should have been nurturing it. So, let's change the paradigm. I want you to stop thinking of your mouth as a battlefield and start thinking of it as a garden or a vibrant rainforest. This is your oral microbiome. When this garden is in balance, the good bacteria, the good guys, thrive. They create a natural defense shield, keeping the harmful bacteria that cause plaque, decay, and bad breath in check. The problems start when this garden gets out of balance. So, how do we become good gardeners? Here are 3 things you can start doing today. Number 1, feed the good guys. Your beneficial bacteria thrive on specific nutrients. Start incorporating more fiber-rich vegetables, like celery and carrots, and consider adding fermented foods, like yogurt or kefir, into your diet. These act like premium fertilizer for your oral garden. Number 2, stop the war in your mouth. I'm telling you right now, take that alcohol-based mouthwash and get rid of it. That stinging sensation isn't a sign that it's working. It's a sign that it's nuking your entire ecosystem and drying out your mouth, which actually makes bad breath worse in the long run. You're creating the perfect, barren wasteland for the bad guys to recolonize first. And number 3, understand the surprising role of saliva. Saliva is your microbiome's lifeblood. It's a natural cleaning agent and delivers nutrients to your good bacteria. Staying properly hydrated throughout the day is non-negotiable. Chewing your food thoroughly also stimulates saliva production. Simple, but incredibly powerful.
Wow.
These tips are the fundamental first steps for rebuilding your oral ecosystem from the ground up. They are essential. But for years, I've been researching a way to rapidly repopulate this oral garden with the right beneficial strains. A way to supercharge this process and get results much, much faster. I stumbled upon some groundbreaking research from a team of scientists in New Zealand who have isolated the specific probiotic strains that can actively outcompete the bad bacteria responsible for gum disease and tooth decay. Think of it like introducing a super predator into your garden that only hunts the pests, allowing your good plants to flourish. This information is controversial. Completely goes against the nuke everything model that the multi-billion-dollar dental industry is built on. That's why I can't post all the details here on this platform. So, I've put together a short, free video presentation that walks you through this scientific discovery, step by step. If you're retired of the endless battle, and you're ready to finally work with your body to achieve lasting oral health, then you need to see this. Click the very first link in the description below to watch the free presentation right now. It will open in a new window so you won't lose this page. Honestly, with the nature of this information, I don't know how long I'll be able to keep that presentation online. So please, watch it now while you can. It's time you learn the truth about what's really on inside your mouth.